Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10 users. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to delete a saved Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the Settings app in Windows 10. You can do this by clicking on the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by searching for Settings in the search bar. Step 2. In the Settings app window, locate and click on Network and Internet. Step 3. Tap on Wi-Fi under the Network and Internet section, and then choose Manage Known Networks. Step 4. Once you open the Manage Known Networks window, you'll see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks you've connected to before. Step 5. In this Wi-Fi network list, find the network you want to forget and click on the Forget button. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a saved Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Windows 10 tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.